This guide outlines how to set up a Workspot template on Google Cloud Platform GCP. First, upload your custom image to a GCP cloud storage bucket. Then, create a GCP image using the provided command line. After that, generate a new instance from this image with another command line. Access your GCP instance, open a browser, and visit download.workspot.com. Download the latest Workspot agent. Run the Workspot agent installer as an administrator using the command line. Input your Workspot control admin credentials when prompted, and proceed with Next, followed by OK. Complete the registration of the template and select Finish. Next, on your C drive, navigate to Program Data, then to the Workspot agent. Right-click on the config folder, select Properties, and go to the Security tab. Make sure administrators have full control. Then go to Program Files, Workspot Agent, and open the Workspot Config Editor. Confirm with OK. Enter your domain join details next. Input your domain, service username and password, re-enter the domain, and specify the OU. Click Submit and then OK. Shut down your VM and then shut down the GCP instance from your GCP console. Then go back to the instance, create an image by providing the image name, and choose Create. Finally, create a GCP instance template using the following command. In Workspot Control, select the GCP Cloud configuration, click on Register Template, find your template, select it, and click Save.